inquiry out of what are options for voice and data services for law firms. And what I decided to do was to say, I'm going to make it concise and easy for someone to read. So I go into a law firm and I say, tell me exactly what you have now, and let me take a look at your invoices to see what you're paying for. A lot of times, companies and law firms are paying for more than what they think they have. So I take a look at what they have. Then, more importantly, I look at their requirements, their technology requirements, and any pain points they may have. So their pain points may be, I really need voicemail to email, or I need to really be able to walk out of my office and then call transfer my cell phone immediately. Some of the newer technologies out there available today. And then from those requirements, I then represent over 60 carriers nationwide, and I can shop those services for them and put together 3 or 4 proposals for them and make it easy for them. Then I give them the disadvantages and advantages of each of the carriers that I'm proposing. I'll let them make a business decision. Now, once they make that decision, we implement it. We project manage it for them. We make sure that people show up on time. We make sure that Network One is there for the cutover. We make sure that the technicians are showing up on time and that the client knows what's going on. But then more importantly, once they're up and running and they're installed, we take care of them after the fact. So if they have any questions, concerns, complaints, or praise, they can call us directly in Kennesaw, Georgia, a local company, a local number, 24/7, and get the help that they need.
We'll find out that number in just a minute.
Absolutely.
I love it. So I know, and you know, one of the things that I know, I've been working with attorneys for a very long time, and I'm not going to say how long, because then I'll give my age. And one of the things that's hard for them, honestly, is change. You know, they're used to what they have, you know, and they know that this is new technology coming, and it's hard for them to embrace, to be totally honest. So do you give them that ease of change? Do you make it simple for them?
We do, yeah. I used to cliche, and it is a cliche, we hold your hand. We do hold their hand, and we make sure that things happen. More importantly, we work with their vendors. So we work with Network One to make sure that everything that we are doing on the provisioning side of a data circuit or a phone in today's world VoIP is going to work with their infrastructure that they have in place. So we have a project manager assigned to every one of our clients, and we make sure that that person takes care of holding their hand through the entire process, so that when AT&T shows up at their door, they know AT&T is supposed to be in there that day.
Sure.
And I'll be honest with you, and more importantly though, change is change, and there will be issues, and it's technology. Everybody has issues. They're going to have downtime. They're going to have a problem. They're going to have a number that's not going to afford. Nice thing about ETS Solutions is we take care of that for them on the spot, right away, and escalate it if necessary to get it done. So a lot of the salespeople will make a sale, and you'll never see them again, and they're off somewhere else.
And it's scary.
We're not there. 13
you
years
don't know
later,
what's
we're
going
still
on.
Absolutely, and
Right.
it is scary when you have no internet or you have a phone number that doesn't ring anymore.
Right, and I know that all they want to do is to practice what they do best,
They need to
and
do what
not
they do
worry
best.
about the rest.
That's why we're around.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So tell me a little more about VoIP. We've all